Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the yen keeps on crashing against most of its competitors. The dollar and the euro have really seen multi-decade moves on the weekly chart we've got at the moment on the dollar yen. We can see that this is stretching back to 1990, the last time we were at this particular level. And this is rumored that the Bank of Japan may hike more interest rates again in its meeting tomorrow. And if you remember that it was the only central bank that was in negative territory for such a long time, but the last reading it moved to 0%. Now it's expected to go to 0.1% possibly, and this has given quite a lot of a shake-up in the market as well. We're also looking likely that the Bank of Japan governor has said the central bank may hike rates again if the fall in the domestic currency significantly pushes up inflation. So this is something else that we're looking at as well. But in the near term, let's just check this out on the daily chart, because it has been such a big move in the last couple of weeks for the dollar yen. I'll just get my chart into position. And as you can see here on the daily, it's just been literally every bounce. We're going wave after wave and going up to this recent fresh top at the moment. The only hope for some bears are the fact that the RSI is in majorly overbought territory. So we could see a slight bearish divergence shortly, but it is looking likely that we will have more upside. And obviously tomorrow's big news could actually affect the path of the dollar yen even further. So really seeing that price action is looking likely that it will possibly continue. And where can we go from here? We've hit fresh high after fresh high, and as I said, if we're going back to 1990, it's so detrimental for the yen that we're hitting these particular areas. So we'll wait and see if that's going to have any bearing. But if we look at other possibilities as well, looking at miners as well, like the euro yen, I'll just get that up on the list again, really going back to multi-decade highs at the moment. We had a brief sell-off in the euro not so long ago, but since as you can see here, the 12th of April, which is not so long ago, we've had such a vast ascension in the euro yen. And this is happening across the board: pound yen, Swiss franc yen, all the miners that are involved in the yen pairs have really started to move a lot higher. So where do you think the yen is going next? As I said, tomorrow's news, it's going to be quite a big one. And we're looking likely that we could have more of an upside movement. Bank of Japan interest rate decision, as I said, the consensus is 0.1% against 0%. And as I said, don't forget, it had 8 years of negative interest rates. So this is why we're seeing such a big turnaround on the yen, and it could actually keep on moving higher as well. So let me know what you think. As usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel. But obviously the yen is not the only thing affected. It could affect the dollar as well, because the Fed and the Bank of Japan have got such different interest rates and inflation data that it could really start sending the dollar yen pair out of control quite significantly. So let me know what you're trading on, and as I said, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel, so feel free to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and until next time, bye for now.